A common and painful complaint is getting the much-needed attention it deserves. It's called migraine headache, and doctors say there's more to migraine than just the headache.
Migraine is a neurological disease characterized by flare-ups of moderate to severe head pain. It can be associated with symptoms of nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light, sound, or smell, or even numbness or tingling.
Up to 55 million Americans experience migraines, and in the U.S., migraines are roughly 3 times more common in women than men. Yet, half of Americans are not aware of the kind of migraine they suffer from, leaving them uninformed about treatment options available to help them. A new awareness campaign has set out to do exactly that, help people identify the type of migraine they have by distinguishing symptoms when the attack occurs. The campaign is encouraging sufferers to join the No Time for Migraines community to share stories and experiences while learning how to take control of their migraine with available treatments.
I never know when I'm going to get a migraine. Sometimes I wake up with one, other times they attack suddenly, out of the blue, without much notice. I always carry around a bag that includes a variety of my must-have treatments and coping mechanisms for a migraine. My bag includes a pair of cute sunglasses to combat bright light, noise-canceling earbuds, and peppermint tea, which really helps with my nausea.
Migraines are ranked as the 3rd most prevalent disorder worldwide, yet half of those migraine sufferers are primarily self-treated. And research shows that sufferers often complain that their medication did not provide fast relief. And although there is no cure, professionals say there are prescription treatments available that work quickly and are patient-friendly.
Like many headache specialists, I work with my patients to see what triggers their headaches and how to effectively manage them. Approaches include working on mindful breath, yoga for stress reduction, healthful eating, and also considering prescription treatment options in various forms. There are some treatment options which work to provide relief in as little as 10 minutes.
To learn more about different migraine attacks you may be suffering from, visit notimeformigraines.com.
And we'd like to thank Zembrace for making that segment possible. We'll be right back, folks. Stick around.